want to talk to you about the fourth finger. It's a very important finger to make sure it's in the right spot. When you're playing music, try not to look at your left hand because this is about music. It's about the ear. I call this the middle school trick. Being able to find where your left hand goes by ear only. I don't mean you should scoop into it like this. It may help you though to find those notes. These fourth fingers are typically a little weak, so it's hard to get them high enough. Let's play the open D and fourth finger on the A string D. Back to the G, G. Back to the D. Open D, fourth finger D. Pay attention to the ear, the pitches that we're playing, that you're playing. Since these are open strings, you don't really need this video. But if it's helpful, use it. And let's see if it helps you. You don't need to play the first two notes, or I'm just going to play the open strings. Now take your hand away and see if you can put it back and find it with your ear. Open G, fourth finger G. We're gonna do this rhythm. D. G. D. G. We'll try the C next. And the C's a little special. We have to really lift our wrist. G. 3, 4, open D, open G, open C. 3, 4, open A, D, open G, open C. That rhythm. 3, 4. Anyway, that's an important skill to get down. It's one of the first foundational things on the cello. The fourth finger is so hard. So push that fourth finger, the very tip of it, the part that has the bone at the very end. It's like a little stone underneath your flesh. Mash it between the string and the fingerboard. Try not to play with pillows with a very flat fourth finger. That's going to make it a lot harder to make that note be sounding. So good luck.